Here we will see single dimensional array in C#. The one-dimensional array or single dimensional array in C# is the simplest type of array that contains only one row for storing data. It has single set of square bracket. All the values of this array are stored continuously starting from 0 to the array size -1. For example, for declaring a single dimensional array of 5 integer, we will define it as int square bracket name of the array as array int equal to new int of 5. This array contains the element from 0 to 4. Here the new operator is used to create the array and also to initialize its element by their default values. In above example, all elements are initialized by 0 since it is of int type. Here string array book is defined which stores 5 elements in an array. The data stored in array is as shown. At 0th element it will store C# and at 5th element which index value is 4 it stores C. Here we will write a program to explain single dimensional array. Here inside main method first we will define array of type string. So string square brackets, then array name which is book list equal to new string of 5. This statement will define the book list array of size 5. Now we will store the values to our array element. So at 0th element we will store C#. Then at first element we will store Java. Then second element we will store VB.NET. Now we will print this array list with console.writeLine. Now we will print array elements. For this we will use for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus, and we will print the array. So in console.writeLine then we will execute it. It will print array elements. The 0 element of an array is C#, first element is Java, second is VB.NET, third is C++ and fourth is C. Here first we have defined the book list array, then we store the values to our array, and lastly we have print these array elements using for loop.